Hello everybody, welcome to jurycentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be discussing with you the expected cutoff of UPSC public prosecutor exam by analyzing the cutoff which were declared of the previous year examinations. And people, also let me tell you, I would soon share with you the answer key of yesterday held UPSC public prosecutor exam very soon. I'm just waiting for the official answer key, and as soon as the answer keys are released, I'll share the same with you. So let us start. So like all of you know about the scheme of the test. Second, I'm telling you, so the test was conducted for 2 hours duration, and all questions carried equal marks, and there were a total number of 120 questions, and those questions were in objective type. The medium of the test was also in English, and there was a negative marking of 1/3. And let me tell you, the maximum marks were 300. Then the syllabus of the test. So you all are probably aware of the syllabus. So let us not discuss about the same, but those of you who haven't appeared, let me tell you the subjects were Constitutional Law, Criminal Law including IPC and CRPC, Indian Evidence Act, Prevention of Corruption Act, Delhi Special Police Establishment Act, Information Technology Act, CVC, and Prevention of Money Laundering Act. In all this, among all the subjects, I have found there are very few questions from Prevention of Money Laundering Act and Information Technology Act, and also from Constitutional Law. So the focus was more on criminal law as well as Prevention of Corruption Act, CVC, Delhi Special Police Establishment Act, and also Indian Evidence Act. So, and the mode of the test was in pen and paper. So you had this option, not this option, your test was actually based on OMR sheet. And there is also interview which will be followed after this written exam. And let me tell you, the weightage of this exam for both written as well as interview is 75:25. That means both the subjects are actually comprising 100. In this paper, 75 is weightage is more given towards the written exam, and 25 this ratio is actually given for viva voce or say interview. And let me tell you, although it is not given in the notification about the total marks for interview, but if I talk about the previous year examinations, the interview was conducted for a total marks of 100. So this year also your interview will be conducted out of 100. And here is also, this is also given, like what is the criteria or say the for qualifying this examination. If I talk about the interview, so if you belong from general, EWS, OBC category, then you need to secure at least 50 or more than 50. And if you belong for reserved category called SC and ST, then you need to secure at least 40 and more than that. So now I'll discuss with you the cutoff. So this is actually the cutoff of 2017 CBI APP exam. Let me read it for you. Recruitment to 47 posts of public prosecutors in Central Bureau of Investigation, Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, so and so, advertisement number published on so and so date, vacancy number so and so. So in that exam, total number of candidates appeared was 1365. So out of that, 606 were general. For OBC it was 415, SC it was 289, and ST it is 46. So it total comprises 1356. And then, it is actually 13, not 6, it is actually 1365, not 1356. Then let me give you about the number of candidates actually qualified from each category. So for general, 21 candidates were qualified. OBC it was 14, SC 8, ST 4. So total number of 47 candidates selected. And in this, these also given minimum level of suitability of marks in the recruitment test. So there is a minimum level of suitability, like that means like the examiner or say the authority is actually expecting you to get this number of marks to get qualified for this examination. So for recruitment test, if I talk about general, it is 201.50, interview it was 50. So in the final selection you need to secure 286.33. For OBC recruitment test is 179.45. So the final selection marks were 261.68. SC it was 222.83. ST it was 171.80. PH, that means handicap category, it is 239.68. and VH, that means it is visual one, it is 227.00. So like I'm telling you, so this notification is actually for public prosecutor in CBI. So if you have appeared for public prosecutor CBI this year, so it is actually expected that you need to qualify. If you want to qualify for this exam, so you need to secure these marks in your final selection. And now I'll talk with you about the highest cutoff that went for that year. So highest marks obtained by candidates in different categories. So for general, they secured 320.33, OBC it was 303.33, SC it was 273.18, ST it was 191.18. So you can have this idea about what could be the cutoff for this year, because if I talk about this year, maximum number of students were appeared this year. So obviously the cutoff won't be very less, but it will be in this margin. Total marks of written examination were 300. Total marks for interview were 100. So like the same, just the same as the present year. In that year also, the total number of written examination question, or say the total marks of written examination were 300 and total marks for interview were 100. And now I'll talk with you about 15 post of assistant public prosecutor in CBI. So let me tell you, if I talk about assistant public prosecutor, like I have always seen, like the candidates which are appearing for public prosecutor exam in APP, the numbers are more than what they have appeared in that public prosecutor exam. So in this year also, maximum number of students have applied for APP. Total number of candidates appeared in RT, that means written test, was 3520 in that year. So I'm talking about the year 2016. That means the examination was held in the year 2017. So number of candidates for general it was 2014. For OBC it was 940. For SC it was 530. ST it was 36. So total number of candidates were 3520. Then total number of candidates finally selected. So out of general 8 candidates were selected. For OBC 6 number of candidates were selected. SC 1, so total number of 15 candidates were selected. And minimum level of suitability. So let me tell you, the cutoff of APP will be higher in comparison to the cutoff which will go for public prosecutor exam. In the recruitment test, for the general category it was 244.00, that means only 244. Interview it was 50 and final selection is 309.50. So this was actually the minimum level of suitability. So let me tell you, the same marks is the suitability marks for this year also. OBC it was 294.80 and SC it was 291.33. So now I'll tell you about the highest cutoff that went for that year. So highest marks obtained by candidates in different categories were, for general it was 324.68. That means it is actually 4 more than what the highest marks secured by a candidate in PP exam. OBC it was 326.68 and SC it was 291.33. Again, total marks of written examination were 300, total marks of interview were 100. And weightage was given 75:25 for both written as well as interview. Now I'll talk with you about the Assistant Public Prosecutor, 65 post of Assistant Public Prosecutor in Directorate of Prosecution, Department of Home, Government of NCT, Delhi. So if I talk about the year 2015, there is a latest examination before the year 2021. So last examination was held in the year 2015 and the recent examination is held in this year. So this year 2015 and the total number of candidates appeared during that time was 1267. And the number of candidates, let me tell you, for general 582 candidates were appeared, OBC 371 candidates were appeared, SC 314 candidates were appeared. The total number of candidates comes to 1267. Now I'll deal with you what are the total number of candidates finally selected. So out of general 32 candidates were selected, OBC 22, SC 10. There were no candidates for PH category, that means for physically handicapped categories, and the total number of candidates finally selected were 64. And now to tell with you, I'll deal with you about the minimum level of suitability of marks in the recruitment test. If I talk about the cutoff of Delhi APP, it is actually very less in comparison to CBI exam. So like you can have this idea, like this year also you might face that if you belong from general category, the cutoff will be more than 320. Because if I talk about this year question paper, it is not too tough or not too easy, but it is actually of moderate level, easy to moderate level, I would say. So this is the reason why I am telling you this year also you would find the cutoff in the range of 300 above for general, and I have already dealt with you the expected cutoff for other categories. So for recruitment test for general, for Delhi APP exam it was 70, interview it was 50, final selection was 137, very less. This is a minimum level of suitability. OBC it was 123, SC it was 121. And if I talk about the highest marks obtained by candidates during that year, it was only 153 for general, OBC it was 153 same, and SC it was just 10 less, 143. Total marks of written examinations were 100 at that time, and total marks of interview were 100. This year the question papers were just the same for all the categories, like for CBI APP or PP or for NIA APP, Delhi APP. So the question paper was just the same, and the total number of questions were 120, total number of marks were 300, and for interview you will be having only 100 marks, and you need to secure at least 50 and above if you belong from general category, and 40 and above if you belong from SC and ST category. So I hope you all have understood the cutoff and the expected cutoff that you may witness this year. And let me tell you, if I talk about CBI, PP and APP exam, the cutoff will be much higher. That will be more than 300. And if I talk about Delhi APP, I can't say right now because even the number of candidates also appeared were less. And let us see what can be the expected cutoff this year. So what I can actually contemplate, it won't be 153 like it happened in the year 2015. It could be in the range of more than 250. That's my personal view. Well, I can't say because we all need to wait for the result to come. Then only our doubts will be cleared. So I hope you all have enjoyed this session. Do not forget to give a like, share and subscribe to the channel. So till we meet the next time, thank you and have a nice day.